Typical photon energies are small. If you recall, what number did we get earlier? 1.4 times 10 to the negative 19 joules, right? So it's not a convenient unit to use for photon energies. Joules is not anyway. Very small if you do it in joules. So an electron volt is a more popularly used unit for photon energies, and a newer SI-based unit that seems to be getting some popularity is the attojoule, which is 10 to the negative 19 joules. Okay. 1 electron volt is the energy that an electron gains if you accelerate it through a potential of 1 volt. Okay. So a charge of an electron is 1.602 times 10 to the negative 19 coulombs. So if you accelerate an electron through a potential difference of 1 volt, that gives you 1.602 times 10 to the negative 19 coulomb volt. And a coulomb volt is just a joule. Okay, so 1 electron volt is 1.6 times 10 to the negative 19 joules. So that's a more convenient unit to use. So let's say you have a photon energy of 3.14 times 10 to the negative 19 joules. What would this be in electron volts? 3.14 times 10 to the negative 19 joules times 1 electron volt is how much? 602 times 10 to the negative 19 joules. Answer? .14 times 10 to the negative 19 divided by 1.602 times 10 to the negative 19. Oops. Entered the wrong number, huh? 1.602 times 10 to the negative 19. Okay, that's clear. 10 to the negative 19 is just going to cancel out, right? So let's make that easier. So it's just going to be beep. Clear. Okay, so 3.14 divided by 1.602. 3.14 divided by 1.602 is just 1.96. So you can see, adds nice numbers to deal with, easy numbers to deal with. What would be in attojoules? 3.14 times 10 to the negative 19 joules. What's an attojoule? 15. So that's just going to give you 31.4 attojoules.